Okay, sorry about that, the video ended very abruptly, so let's make this a very short video 3 tutorial for this, because I just wanted to show you how I made the postage stamp. So I've cut it out postage stamp size, and I didn't measure that, it's literally by eye. I'm going to glue this to some paper, leaving it white because although I'm inking the edges, there is a fair bit of white in this particular kit, so we'll put that down on there. You saw me ink the edges of that as well, and I happen to have some of these scissors which I've had again for donkey's years, and it's got a stamp fancy edge, so I literally just go around like this, pretty close to the picture. And that's my stamp. So I would decorate, I probably would just ink that a little bit as well. Okay, and then I would decorate this tag in a similar way to Liz, the way Liz does it, with torn paper and script stamping, and thread it onto a bulb pin with a button. You could use a button or charm. Maybe I'll use a charm this time, and we'll make it slightly differently. Button, charm, and some lace and fabric behind it just to give it a backdrop. So as I say, this little bit of the video is very, very short. I'll come back, show you how I finish these off, and we'll have a go at some of the tags on the inside if you would like me to. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.